Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DynamoDB for mobile app data storage. To begin, open your AWS Management Console. Next, navigate to the DynamoDB service. Click on the Create Table button to start the configuration. Enter a name for your table that reflects its purpose. Set your table's primary key attributes. Choose between a single partition key or a composite primary key based on your data requirements. Configure the read and write capacity settings according to expected app usage. Consider enabling on-demand capacity mode for automatic scaling. Now, set up the table's secondary indexes if you anticipate needing complex queries. Review the table settings to ensure everything matches your requirements. Click on the Create button to initiate the table creation process. Once the table is created, navigate to the Table Details page. Here, you can view and configure additional settings like autoscaling and triggers. Next, set up DynamoDB streams if your mobile app needs real-time updates. For the mobile app to interact with DynamoDB, configure IAM roles and permissions. Navigate to the IAM section in the AWS console. Create a new role that grants access to DynamoDB. Attach a policy that allows your app to read and write data. Complete the IAM role creation and record the role's ARN for later use. Now, integrate the AWS SDK into your mobile app project. Install the necessary libraries for accessing DynamoDB. Configure the SDK with the credentials and region of your AWS account. Implement code to connect to the DynamoDB table using the SDK. Begin writing functions to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. Use the AWS documentation for reference as you develop these functions. Finally, thoroughly test the integration to ensure data is stored and retrieved correctly. Monitor your DynamoDB usage in the AWS console for performance tuning. With these steps completed, your mobile app is now set up to use DynamoDB for data storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.